In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the particle simulator to animate. So first off, this is kind of what we're going to build, just something that kind of emits all these objects and everything. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and just create a new project. And I'm going to go ahead and just move this down out of the way for a minute. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Add Mesh and create just a cone. This is what's going to spit out the particles. So to start that, if I go ahead and come down to this little icon, the particle, and click plus, from there I can just press play and it's actually already doing something. So to modify that a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and come down to render, and from here if you change it from render as halo to object, and then down here instance object, you can either use the eyedropper or you can come down here and then just choose whatever object you want it to be. So you can create whatever. So I'm going to click and then just click on that, and now when I press play, now that's coming out of it. If I want to play with it a little bit, I'm going to scale it. So if I click, hold, and drag, that'll kind of scale it, and I could kind of mess with it that way. And there's all kinds of different settings. I'm going to change this to 100 just so it doesn't go as long. If I want to play with some of the weights, so say I want to take off the gravity, I could play with that a little bit. That does something different, and just kind of start messing with some of the different types of things in there. So that's particles for you.